for bikers. Was that it? Sawed it. Sawed it. What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm joined by my brother. He's on the trusty R6, and I got the old lady on the back. Got a few friends with us. We're gonna go check out Dave's Hot Chicken. It's supposedly one of the best hot chicken in Southern California. So we're gonna test that theory. I've been wanting to try it for a long time, but they never had any. They didn't have any in our area, so, but they're starting to expand, so yeah, they have one local to us that we're gonna check out and take you guys along for the journey, show you what it's all about. Unfortunately, they're only in Southern California, so for everyone that's not in Southern California, you can't taste it, but we'll taste it for you and give you our thoughts and just have a good old time. Give them a little pull. I gotta keep it kind of slow because Elizabeth's a baby. Yeah, guys, a little bit about Dave's Hot Chicken. They basically have three main menu items. They have sides and stuff, but like combo wise, you could get 2 sliders and fries. You could get a slider and a tender, or you could get two tenders and fries. I think I'm gonna go with the 1 tender and the 1 slider, just so I can get the best of both worlds. And then they have a range of different heats. They go all the way from no heat to Reaper. Normally I would go for the, you know, extra hot shit, but I don't want to be shitting blood for the next month. So I'm either gonna go with the medium or the hot. Oh, we just hit 600 miles. Check it, yo. You guys know what that means. Can finally give her the beans. Gonna do the full service on it, but I'm gonna do it myself because that dealer tried to charge me $250 to do a first service. I don't think so, Captain. I will handle this scandal by myself. Save some money because I got some mods planned for the future. I need that money to purchase those, so we'll probably have a video coming up about the 600-mile service for, you know, anybody who wants to know what it entails, or, you know, maybe some other people can watch the video and do it themselves too and save some money. You know, we're all about saving that money, honey. Oh, it's so hot. My skins are burning. It's on fire. Up 601. Yeah, guys, I got everything I need. I just got to go pick up the oil. So we'll be doing that here shortly. And yeah, we'll have a video on all that. So the hell is that thing? That is one ugly ass vehicle. Alright, turbo, blowing out my eardrums. Too quiet. I need an exhaust. Come on. Airflow. Oh shit. Alright, where do we park, guys? Where do we park? Oh, saw it. Oh man, it is. Oh no, it is popping. There it is, guys. Dave's Hot Chicken. Or you come to regret the next 24 hours. When your L chocolate starfish is on fire.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we're about to dig into this food and see how good it is. Alright guys, she's trying the hot. See if she can handle it. No sauce. Get it, girl, get it. Good flavor, huh? It's not that hot. Oh, maybe it is. Uh-oh. Really? That's hot?
It's tolerable.
Oh, okay.
It's tolerable. It's really good. Never again.
Alrighty guys, that was Dave's Hot Chicken, and let me tell you, that shit was hot, bruh. And I didn't even get the hottest one. There's still two hotter on the heat scale. There's very hot and there's Reaper. But yeah, that was good, man. If you guys are in the Southern California area, I mean, they have spots all over the place. They're expanding a lot. When I first heard about them, they were only in like a few LA areas, but now they got them kind of all over the place. So look it up. It's well worth it, man. That shit is fire. And one day I'm gonna grow some cojones and try the Reaper. So maybe I'll make a video on that too if you guys like this kind of thing. You know what to do. Let me know in the comment section down below. Bad R6. Bad. Stop dying. Yeah, I've been having some issues with the R6. I think it's maybe some clogged injectors or something. It just, when it's low on fuel, when it's just idling, it just kind of chokes out and dies. But just another thing I'll have to look into. You know how the R6 is. No, she has an eyelash in her eye and it won't go away. I'm about to have it coming out both ends. I love that R6. She just sounds so good too, man. Don't worry, baby, soon you'll sound good too. Should we scare the old lady? bike is, man. Dude, that just seems so uncomfortable. It's like typical sport bike riders. Uh-oh. He's coming to get me. Gotta dip out. You're holding up traffic. Hey, okay, I got a passenger, you don't. Beesh. Ooh, more bikers. Was that it? Sawed it. Sawed it. Alright, everybody, and on that note, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think down below. And do me a favor and smash that like button. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. We're starting to grow. See some growth and I like it. Keep up the good work. We love you guys and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.